Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Emadala. On today's episode, I will be showing you guys how to make skin lightening soap easy and simple at home without any side effects. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's get into this video. Okay family, so to begin with, we will be needing 1 carrot, 1 potato, 1 lemon and 1 bathing soap. So you can actually get any type of soap that is available to you. Some people prefer using Dove, but I just got any type because I'm just using it for my base. Let's just get this out and put this there. Then you can take out the soap. Here it is. So good. Firstly, we are going to grate our carrot first, and after grating the carrot, we grate the potato. Then we grate the soap on its own in a separate bowl. You can decide to add tomato juice to it. It's also very good, but I am not adding tomato juice to this one because I don't have tomato juice in hand right now. But if you do have tomato juice in hand, please add the juice to it. It will make your lightning soap much more effective. Yeah, so this is how the soap is looking like. You can refrigerate this. So right now I'm going to put it in the freezer so that it can come together. Just scoop out a little bit and bathe with it every day, and you will definitely see results within 1 week. That I assure you. Just really nice. It blends in really well. Let me just rinse out my hand. I just rinsed out my hand right now, and look at the difference already. Okay, so please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is Emadala. Click the notification as well and give me a thumbs up if you actually like this video. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.